Racing just started while Racing to Glory was left behind. We have Armory break quickly to start. Moving upon the outside now is Louis Alexa. Pinoy World Class running by the release going west. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Now is Armory Dream Supreme Classical bid comes next. Then followed by Denti Ankle as well as Skybird is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. Armory on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Louis Alexa in second, Pinoy World Class going west, Dream Supreme, and on the outside comes Scout Ranger Classical bid. Comes next southbound is Skybird, while Dainty Ankles now racing in less than a 4 turn with Armory. Then here comes Dream Supreme, now moving upon the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Dream Supreme by a length. Down on the inside, Armory as they swing for room. Dream Supreme by about 2 lengths now. And in second, Armory going west is Scout Ranger. Louis Alexa Classical bid. Last 100 meters, we have Dream Supreme now racing away over going west. And finally, the curtain closer, Dream Supreme. Going west, Louis Alexa, close Classical bid, Scout Ranger, then comes southbound Armory.
Okay, the top choice, 9 horse, Dream Supreme. An official winner dito sa ating huling karera.